Welcome back to Cars and Bikes Updater, your trusted channel for the latest and greatest in two-wheeled machines. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most anticipated sport bikes of the year, the 2025 Suzuki GSX-8R. This machine blends aggressive performance, advanced electronics, and street-ready practicality in a sleek and muscular package. The GSX-8R is Suzuki's fully faired version of the popular GSX-8S. It's built around the same 776 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, delivering 82.9 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 57.5 lb-ft of torque at 6,800 RPM. That might not sound earth-shattering, but this bike isn't just about top speed, it's about real-world power delivery, smooth torque, and thrilling mid-range punch that makes every twist of the throttle count. What really makes the 2025 GSX-8R stand out is its chassis. The bike features a steel frame paired with fully adjustable Showa SFFBP front forks and a monoshock rear, giving riders a sporty yet comfortable experience on the road. Whether you're carving through canyons or hitting your daily commute, this bike feels stable, confident, and incredibly responsive. On the tech side, Suzuki packs in a 5-inch full-color TFT display, a bidirectional quickshifter, ride-by-wire throttle, and multiple ride modes. There's also traction control and ABS, giving riders more control and confidence in variable conditions. Visually, the GSX-8R is a stunner. With sharp lines, an aerodynamic fairing, and aggressive LED lighting, it has serious supersport styling without the punishing ergonomics. The clip-on handlebars are low but not extreme, making it a comfortable choice for longer rides as well. Now for the price, Suzuki has priced the 2025 GSX-8R at an extremely competitive $9,439 in the US. That's serious value for a bike that offers sporty looks, modern tech, and versatile performance in one well-rounded package. If you're looking for a do-it-all middleweight that delivers fun without breaking the bank, the GSX-8R deserves a spot on your shortlist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates on the latest bikes right here on Cars and Bikes Updater.